Oh, let's go. What up people, what's good? Your boy BB again, and I'm back with a new video. So in this video I'll be unboxing the PlayStation Backbone. So this is the Backbone controller for iPhones or any phone that has USB-C. And as Apple mentioned in the iPhone event, they mentioned that the iPhone 15 Pro is good for mobile gaming, probably the best mobile gaming phone in the market right now. But it sucks to play video games on the phone with the on-screen controller, so I had to get one of these. They're kind of expensive. They're about like $99, technically $100. But yeah, let's get unboxing. Let's go. All right guys, so this is the Backbone. Quickly unboxing. Let's get it. So you could just pull this out from here. I've actually watched a bunch of videos about this. Ooh, that's clean. This box, just keep it to the side. Now let's open it. Whoa, that's actually clean. It has this sticker right here. I don't know what that's for. Boy, if you don't get out, bro. And then, boom. Whoa, that looks very satisfying. I could see myself playing my game on this. Is this detachable? So what else do we get in the box? That's it. What the flip? That's it. That's it, guys. That's it. That's all we get in the box. The quick little box. I think there's something here though. So this is that little thing that they said you could use to like have it connected to your phone. All right, so let's talk about the build quality. It feels like, honestly, it feels like an Xbox controller. It doesn't feel like a PlayStation controller. Yeah, so the design is kind of like an Xbox controller, like the two analog right there, boom, kind of like the same thing. About at the back, it's very ergonomic too. It's kind of ergonomic. I feel like it fits in my hand properly. Yeah, fits in my hand properly. I'm not sure if there's a turn on button for this, but oh, it actually expands. So you could fit this probably in an iPad as well, maybe an iPad mini. But it extends to whatever the size of your phone is. So let me quit the talking and connect it to my phone. So this is how does it go. Yo, it doesn't connect to my phone. I think it's because of my phone case. So I think if you have your phone case on this, it's probably not gonna work. It's probably not gonna work if you have your phone case on. Okay, so finally it's connected. And it turns on, if you guys saw that, and it automatically paired to the Backbone app. All right guys, so I've been using this for the past 4 hours, and here's what I think. So first of all, the build quality. I'm currently using the iPhone 15 Pro. So this is not the Pro Max, this is the Pro, and this is how it looks like. If you guys can see, it does make your phone look like a game. Now, more on the design is that it has an headphone jack on the bottom right here that you can connect your headphones to. I did connect my Beat Studio Pro to this, and it sounded pretty good. I feel like if I was like playing a game whereby I'm collaborating with people or I'm talking to somebody, that would be nice, you know what I'm saying? And it also has the USB-C ports right here that you can use to charge your phone. So if you play a game on your phone, your battery tends to drain faster than your regular usage. So if you connect a USB-C charger to this while playing on your phone, it charges your phone. So that makes a lot of sense because the USB-C is already connected to your phone from the controller.
Hi guys, so like I said, I currently don't own a console, so you should be able to relate to this if you're looking to get the Backbone to get a better gaming experience on your phone. So in terms of the design and how it fits to your phone, there shouldn't be any trouble setting this up. But if you have a case on your phone, make sure you remove the adapter for it to fit perfectly with your device. Now, as soon as you connect these to your phone, it will automatically open the Backbone app if you have it installed. You can also launch the Backbone app by pressing this orange button, and yo, this app looks amazing. I do want to mention that the Backbone controller doesn't fully depend on the app, and using the app requires a yearly paid subscription for $39, which is wild. But it does have a 1-year free trial, so if you don't like it, feel free to cancel. I personally will be canceling it, especially since the controller doesn't fully depend on it. With that being said, it's actually a good app that organizes all your App Store games as well as your console games if you happen to own one. The user's interface is very game oriented and user friendly. You can easily mess around with the settings and get cool features like recording your gameplay or just clicking the capture button on the left side to record or screenshot. You can also use this to control on-screen games with the use of USB-C, but all this feature fully depends on the paid plan of the app. Playing App Store games with this is actually fun and definitely better than on-screen controller cause you get the full screen real estate to yourself. One drawback I noticed about the Backbone controller is that it can't be used to navigate around some games home screen or menu before actually playing the game. So for example, on Call of Duty, I am unable to use it to choose the game mode or adjust my settings, so I would have to use the touch screen, which is kind of weird. And the same goes for 2K Mobile. Now my gaming experience, playing games like Call of Duty, 2K Mobile and Asphalt 8 were decent with this controller, but it does have some major problems. Whilst playing Call of Duty, I noticed that holding down the joystick while moving forward doesn't make the gaming character run at full speed. It just feels like it's walking, which is bad, especially when you're playing with other players online.
It doesn't move as, look, I'm slow as flip. Like, check this out. I'm like super slow. Like, see how fast I'm moving when I'm doing this. See how fast I'm moving when I'm doing this. I'm probably gonna die soon, but it's not fast. It's not fast. It feels good. It feels better. I'm not gonna lie. It feels better. It feels better shooting like this, but the downside is I really can't run like as fast as everyone else, which is super annoying. See, I'm gonna die. See, I died.
But other than that, the controller works flawlessly and definitely takes mobile gaming to another level. Another thing that I want to touch on is that not all mobile games are supported by this controller. For example, FIFA Mobile is not supported, so technically any game that you have installed on your iPhone but doesn't show on the Backbone app is not supported. Now the big question is, should you buy this? Honestly, no. Yes, it's a good accessory, but the price is just an overkill because you still have to pay to use the app. And on top of that, it doesn't support every game, so I don't think it's worth it, especially if you ain't got it like that. I will love to try out console games with my phone on this though, but I don't own one, so I'll just stick to this for now. Regardless, the Backbone controller is a game changer for mobile gaming. Despite some limitations, the overall experience is enhanced, making gaming more enjoyable. However, check if your favorite games are supported before purchasing this. And that's it for the video, guys. If you guys are feeling this video, make sure you like, comment and subscribe. Stay safe, and as always, I'll see you guys on the next one. Day in the live videos coming soon. Let's get it. Yaga.